In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept online payments with Stripe in just 5 minutes. This quick guide will help you set up your account efficiently and start receiving payments seamlessly. Let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is navigate to Stripe's official website. Simply open your browser and type in stripe.com. Once the website has loaded, go ahead and click on the Sign In button, which you'll find on the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to accessing Stripe's powerful dashboard. Once you are on the sign-in page, enter your email address and your password. Now, if you don't have a Stripe account yet, be sure to sign up first by following their easy registration process. But assuming you already have your credentials, just fill them in and click on the Sign In button. This action will take you directly to your Stripe dashboard. On your dashboard, you will want to head over to the Home section to get an overview of Stripe's features and options. Now, if you're looking to accept online payments, one effective way is through setting up payment links. So click on the Payments tab on the left-hand menu and then select Payment Links. Once you're there, click on the New button to create a fresh payment link. It's pretty straightforward. After you're done configuring your payment link, simply click on Create Link. In just a few moments, you'll have a shareable link ready for your customers to make payments easily. For another approach, you can explore the Billing feature. Click on Billing in the left navigation bar and then click Invoices. Once you're in the Invoices section, you can simply click on Create New Invoice. Here, you'll fill in the necessary details such as the customer's information and the amount to be billed. Once you have all the details lined up, go ahead and click Send Invoice to issue your invoice directly to your customer. If subscription-based billing is more your style, still under the Billing, you can select Subscriptions. Click on Create Subscription to configure your first payment plan. Enter all the relevant details, and when you are ready, hit the Create Subscription button. This will automate recurring payments for your products or services. Don't forget to visit the settings under Product Settings to ensure your payment configurations are set properly. Navigate to Payment Methods and check the options that are suitable for your business. Make sure to enable the selected payment methods to start processing transactions right away. And that's it. You've now set up online payments with Stripe in a matter of minutes. With this setup, you are now ready to accept payments efficiently, providing a seamless transaction experience for your clients. Thank you for watching, and happy selling with Stripe.